For this activity, I want you to tear out this piece of paper in the back of your packet and write your name, your number, and your date at the top of it. Then I also want you to go to the supply shelf and I want you to get these packs of cards. They have little children in the lower corner. They're holding numbers and there's word problems on there. So tear out that piece of paper, grab these cards, and then come back to me and we'll talk about what we're going to do here. All right, in this activity, in this stack of cards, you will have addition and subtraction word problems. Now I'm telling you this right now. Your job is not to solve the word problem. You're not solving it right now. Your job will be to decide if the word problem is talking about subtraction or addition. So you will be reading through the word problem, and I want you to find the clue words that are associated with either addition or a subtraction. And think about if the problem is telling you to add or if the problem is telling you to subtract. I'm going to give you a freebie. Let's focus on problem number 3. I'm going to read it out loud. Andy had 220 Legos. He lost 19 of them. How many Legos does he have now? Well, what clue words do we see? What action words in this word problem do we see that help us understand what's happening to the amount? Because we know Andy started with 220, but then what happened? He lost 19. And when you lose something, your amount gets smaller. Now, in the math world, what does that mean? Are we adding or subtracting? We are subtracting. So if we were to solve this problem, it would be 220 take away 19 to figure out how many Legos he has now. But you're not solving it. You are just deciding if the problem is about addition or subtraction. Okay? Now, some of these problems you can add or subtract to get to the same answer, but I just want you to focus on the keywords that you see. Now, let's say that we were answering problem number 3. We're going to go down to our answer sheet. And in number 3, we would write either add or subtract. Okay? You can even put sub too, S-U-B. So add or subtract to show that that problem is telling you to add or subtract. So when you have gone through all of the cards and you have written down whether or not you're going to add or subtract, I want you to put the cards back up on the shelf. And then I want you to hand this paper into the pathway section. And if you still need to review the action words, the key clue words for addition and subtraction, go ahead and rewatch the video to review them. Good luck.